me. I appreciate it so much. And I think we should not stop asking the question that we started asking Kwagogo. When's Zuma? What has
Duduzile Zuma Sampudla, the daughter of former president and MK party leader Jacob Zuma, is set to stand trial in November over her alleged role in the deadly July 2021 unrest. The 42-year-old politician figure faces charges under the Protection of Constitutional Democracy Against Terrorist and Related Activities Act, as well as allegations of incitement to commit violence during the week-long riots that left more than 350 people dead and caused billions in damage. Zuma Sampudla, who handed herself over to police in January, was arrested and processed at the Durban Central Police Station before being released on warning. Appearing briefly in court on Thursday, she stood before Judge Mluleki Martin Cheti, who certified the matter as trial-ready. According to National Prosecuting Authority Regional Spokesperson Natasha Ramkisson-Kara, proceedings will take place at the Durban High Court from 10 to 21 November. The July 2021 unrest, sparked by Jacob Zuma's imprisonment for contempt of court, saw widespread looting, arson and attacks on infrastructure in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. Prosecutors allege Zuma Sampudla used social media to incite violence, a claim she is expected to challenge in court. Duduzile Sampudla was wearing a modern-day terrorist shirt amid terrorism charges. The DA Parliamentary Portfolio Committee Chair of Police, Ian Cameron, said that since the riot's crime intelligence CI has not improved in the province, he stated that it has not been beefed up since 2021, especially with the current controversy regarding the management of the SAPS and many people being implicated in many different things. I cannot say with confidence that the crime intelligence within the SAPS has been adequately increased. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.